If you're tired of scooping litter and dealing with the daily mess, it's time to check out the latest automatic cat litter boxes. These high-tech litter boxes do the dirty work for you and keep your home fresh and your cat happy with minimal effort. But with so many cat litter boxes on the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why, in this video, I'll be going over the 7 best cat litter boxes. Whether you're looking for the best budget-friendly litter box, one for large cats, or a litter box that is best for multiple cats, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 7 is the Pet Safe Scoop Crystal Pro. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. Cleaning the litter box is probably one of the least fun parts of having a cat, but this self-cleaning litter box saves you from the hassle of scooping every day. This litter box does most of the work for you, so your cat always has a clean place to go and you don't have to worry about the smell. Instead of regular litter, this box uses crystal litter that absorbs moisture and controls odors. After your cat does their business, the box automatically rakes the waste into a covered tray, keeping things fresh. You don't have to scoop, just replace the disposable tray about once a month. That's it! The size makes it great for small to medium-sized cats, and the low entry is easy for most cats to step into. Plus, since the crystals don't clump and create dust, it's a good option for people with allergies or cats that track litter all over the house. Also, with this litter box, you can keep an eye on your cat's health with the built-in health counter on this automatic litter box. It doesn't just clean up, it also tracks how often they use it. If you notice any changes, like your cat going more or less than usual, it could be a sign they need a vet checkup. This makes it easier to catch health issues early while keeping their litter box fresh with less work for you. Overall, it's a great choice if you're a busy pet owner and want a hands-off way to handle litter without the usual mess. Number 6 is the Nia Casa M1. This is best for large cats on our list. This litter box has an open-top design, which many cats prefer since it gives them plenty of space. If your cat dislikes covered boxes, this is a great alternative. It also has a sealed waste disposal system that helps lock in odors, so your home smells fresh. But don't think it's just for big cats. This litter box works for kittens as small as 2.2 pounds and cats up to 33 pounds. It even has a kitten mode to make sure younger cats can use it safely. If you have multiple cats, this litter box is roomy enough to handle them. One of its best features is its low-maintenance design. It can run for up to 14 days before needing attention, making it perfect for short trips or busy schedules. To keep your cat safe, the M1 has advanced sensors that detect when your cat is inside or even near the base. If it senses movement while cleaning, it automatically pauses to prevent accidents. You can also monitor your cat's bathroom habits, check litter levels, and adjust settings, all from an app on your phone. For a cleaner home, it includes a soft mat that helps catch stray litter before it spreads across your floors. It also comes with trash bags for easy cleanup. Just remove, toss, and replace. Overall, if you have larger or multiple cats, the Nia Casa M1 is a solid pick. Number 5 is the CatLink Luxury Pro X. This is the best litter box with an app control on our list. This extra-large automatic litter box gives your cats plenty of space to move around comfortably. It's designed for multiple cats, which means it can handle a busy household without getting messy. The health monitoring feature is one of the best things about this litter box. It tracks how often each cat uses it, which can help you spot any changes that might mean a trip to the vet. You can check all this info right from an app on your phone, along with getting reminders when it's time to empty the waste. To keep your home smelling fresh, it has triple odor control, meaning it works extra hard to trap and reduce smells. The waste goes into a sealed compartment, and it comes with 60 trash bags to make cleanup quick and easy. And with a year-round warranty, you're covered for any issues that may come up, so you know you're supported if something goes wrong. Overall, the CatLink Luxury Pro X is a great choice for on-the-go cat parents or busy households. And if you want to know the latest prices for the automatic cat litter boxes discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 4 on our list is the Mio Want Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. This is best for multiple cats. This litter box is designed to handle up to 6 cats comfortably. With its extra large size, it offers plenty of space. It also comes with odor control features that trap smells, keeping your home fresh. The automatic cover opens and closes on its own to keep bad odors inside. Plus, it includes scented gel to maintain a clean, fresh environment. Even better, the box runs on a quiet motor that only makes around 40 decibels of noise, so it won't disturb you or your family. The simple and sleek design means it blends in well with any room, so it's perfect for homes where style matters. Like other options on our list, this litter box also connects to an app on your phone. You can change settings, track usage, and set reminders for waste disposal, all from your smartphone. It also comes with a mat and liner to make cleanup easier. The mat catches any litter your cat may scatter, and the liner lets you replace waste bags. Overall, if you're looking for something spacious for all your cats, the Mio Want Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is the way to go. Number 3 on our list is the Pet Snowy Snow Plus. This litter box offers the best tracking prevention on our list. It features an odor control system called TiO2, which traps smells and helps keep the air fresh, so you don't have to worry about unpleasant odors. This box offers plenty of room for cats to move around. It's perfect for large or multiple cats, too. When it's time to dispose of the waste, the box auto-packs it for easy cleanup. With app control, you can manage settings, monitor your cat's usage, and even get alerts when it's time to empty the waste, all from your phone. You can also control the cleaning cycle without ever needing to touch the box. Another bonus is that no assembly is required. The box is ready to use right out of the package. The TiO2 photocatalyst keeps the air fresh inside, helps contain the litter mess, and even prevents dogs from getting into the box, making it a cleaner choice for your home. Overall, the Pet Snowy Snow Plus is an easy-to-use, high-tech litter box that makes cleaning simpler and keeps your home odor-free. Number 2 is the Litter Robot 3. This litter box offers the best value for money on our list. It's compatible with almost any type of clumping litter, meaning you don't need to purchase special litter. It also helps control odors, keeping your home smelling fresh. Plus, the box is spacious enough for most cats, even larger breeds, to use comfortably. One of its standout features is that you can control and monitor the box from your phone using an app. This lets you check when it's time to empty the waste, adjust settings, and receive notifications when it's full. There is no need to manually check it. The Litter Robot 3 Connect also comes with a 1-year whisker care warranty, so you're covered if anything goes wrong. Its sleek design fits in well with most home styles, blending easily into your space. Overall, the Litter Robot 3 is a great option if you're looking for simplicity and effectiveness. Number 1 is the Litter Robot 4. This is the best overall option on our list. This litter box simplifies cat care by automatically cleaning after your cat. The bundle includes everything you need: the Litter Robot 4, 6 odor trap refills to control smells, 25 liners for easy bag changes, 30 cleaner wipes to maintain freshness, a mat to catch any stray litter, and a fence to prevent spills. The Litter Robot 4 is spacious enough for most cats, including larger ones. It works with any type of clumping litter and is built to help reduce odors, keeping your home fresh. What's even better is that it's app-controlled. You can track the litter box's usage, adjust settings, and get alerts when it's time to empty the waste, all from your phone. With everything you need in one bundle, the Litter Robot 4 makes keeping the litter box clean and odor-free a lot easier. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect automatic cat litter box much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.